Project Day Quest 21. Our pride, our Coimbatore. Our project is regarding Kongu Nadu culture and heritage. My name is Danya Ashok. I am studying grade 1 in Vishwankar Public School. My topic is Kongu Cuisine. Kongu Cuisine includes spices, pulses and coconut mainly in the food. Today let us see the recipe for Arsi Parpu Sadam, an ancient food from 4th century. Let's go into the video. First, soak the rice and tur dal for 20 minutes. We also need tomato, chopped onion, garlic, red chilli, curry leaves, cumin, turmeric, mustard, coconut and salt. Pour some gingerly oil into the hot cooker. Add some mustard seeds and wait till they pop. Now add some cumin seeds followed by chopped onion and garlic. Add also the red chillies and curry leaves and fry till the onions are cooked. Then add the sliced tomatoes along with salt and turmeric powder as per your taste. Mix everything well until the oil separates out. Now it is time to add the rice and tur dal. Add enough water for the rice to cook. Finally, add few diced coconut and bring it to a boil. It's time to close the cooker and fix the weight. Let's wait for 3 whistles and set the cooker aside for 10 minutes. Arsi Parpu Sadam is ready to be served. Top it with some ghee to add more taste. It goes very well with curd and pickle too. It looks yummy. People also make this sadam with green gram or rajma for different flavors. Wow, it is very tasty and healthy recipe. You also try. Thank you.
foodies. Kongu cuisine is mainly South Indian with rice as its base. The cuisine includes cereals like ragi, kambu, cholam and variety of pulses. And same almost all the dishes have coconut in one or the other. And many dishes are cooked generally oil, which not only improves the taste but is also very nutritious. It is served in banana leaves. Breakfast is idli or dosa with chutney. Lunch is rice, sambar, curd, kulam and rasam. Kongu cuisine is highly nutritional and traditional food. All Chettinad dishes are famous in Kongu cuisine. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, friends.
I am Pragalad. I am going to tell about the significance of Kongu cuisine. Kongu means Kongnadu. These are the regions of Kongnadu. Let us see the features of Kongu cuisine. The base of Kongu cuisine is rice. Main ingredients are coconut and turmeric. The millets are ragi, maize, cholam, kambu and samai. Lentils used are horse gram, tatapairu, tur dal and moong dal. Native vegetables are used for cooking. Some of the unique Kongu recipes are பூண்டு குழம்பு, அரிசிம்பருப்பு சாதம், இளநீர் பாயாசம், களி, வாழைப்பூ வடை, ஒப்புட்டு, கோகனட் பர்பி, பச்சை புளி ரசம், ராகி ரொட்டி, பள்ளிப்பாளையம் கோழி வறுவல், நத்தக்கடையூர் நண்டு மசாலா, கரூர் மட்டன் குழம்பு and கல்கண்டு பொங்கல். Hope you all enjoy the video. Thank you all.
Happy to welcome you all for the project Crest 21 and it is our pride, our Coimbatore. My topic is
and sesame. More collection of recipes from Tamil Nadu. கொள்ளு பருப்பு, கொள்ளு ரசம், அரிசிம்பருப்பு சாதம், தேன் மிட்டாய், தேர் மிட்டாய், களி, கடலோரண்டை, கல்கண்டு சாதம், தட்டவடை, கொங்கு ஸ்பெஷல் ஊறுகாய். Hope you all enjoy. Bye.